hold on to handrails. When the AP
If you're still having difficulties towing any oversized items today, just let a flight attendant know. We'll make sure we have those items. Electrical cord that provides us electricity on the ground has just faulted. They do have a mobile cart that they're working on bringing here shortly, and we'll get electrical power back on the airplane, and we'll continue. We'll finish the boarding process and begin underway. So I do apologize for the inconvenience, and this will probably be a little bit of a delay, just waiting on that external power cart. Thank you very much. We'll give you an accurate arrival time once we do get airborne. Thank you. Understand this is getting a little bit warm back there. They're not able to get power on the airplane right now externally, so in interest of your comfort and safety, we are going to deplane here for a few minutes until we can make it comfortable in here for you. So again, we appreciate your understanding with that. If folks want to grab all your...
I'm your head, Mom.
Update you for the next update that will be at 4:45. So if you want to use the restroom,
your flight is delayed until 8 o'clock.
We'll be underway in just a few minutes. We just here want to take your seats, make sure carry lamps are stowed, seat back, straight tables in the full upright lock position. We'll be underway very shortly. 3 hours, 32 minutes from takeoff to touchdown. And at this time, safety is the number one concern here at United. We do realize that many of you do fly frequently, so in order to reinforce what you may already know, let's enable those around you too here. Here's the gate. However, we've just been informed due to weather in Chicago and the arrival corridors being backed up that they've issued flow control times. Our flow control time, as of now, is a little over 2 hours away. That's what we've been assigned. I did put a call into our dispatch. I'm asking him to move us to the head of the line since we've been delayed already with this mechanical. But I haven't heard back yet, so give me a few more minutes. Hopefully that'll be the case. To be honest with you, I'm not completely counting on it. Just when these things do happen, they don't always switch them around. But we'll give them a few minutes to work on that. Hopefully that'll be the case, but I'll get back to you and let you know one way or the other. If we do, if we're not given that time that's earlier, the takeoff time that's earlier, then I'll get back to you, and we'll probably have to deplane again. But again, it's still up in the air, so don't do anything yet. Give me a few minutes, and I will get back to you. Thank you. Having some challenges today. First time mechanical, and now we got the wheels up. They were unable to change that flow time into Chicago, so it's going to be a 2-hour wait. It's best for everybody, and we need to have everybody get their bags and deplane again. Again, I do apologize. You know, this stuff is beyond our control, obviously. We're doing the best we can to get you to Chicago. But for now, we need to grab the bags and deplane. Thank you, folks.
And I haven't used it much since then, although, you know, just it's kind of...
few minutes. Just expect the last couple passengers that rejoin us, and we'll be underway. So just double check to make sure that all of your carry lines are properly stowed. Chicago, so we're going to do everything we can to get you there as quickly and as safely as possible. So again, I know it's been a long afternoon for all of us, so we're going to be doing everything we can to get you there just as quickly as we can. So thanks for your patience. We'll be on the way very shortly. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all of us here at United, the Star Alliance Network, and especially the SunFlight crew, again, we really do appreciate your patience. We'll be underway shortly. Again, we just ask that you pause your conversations at this time and direct your attention to the flight attendants in the aisle. And at this time, please remove the safety information card from the seat pocket in front of you, and please follow along as we review important safety features of this Airbus A320. And whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is on, you should be seated with your seatbelts fastened around your lap. The fasten simply slide the flat metal end into the buckle, tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap, and lift the buckle top to release. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated, even when the seatbelt sign is switched off. And this Airbus A320 is equipped with 4 exit doors. 2 are located on each side of the aircraft. The doors are open in emergency. Slide rafts will automatically inflate. In the event of a water landing, slide rafts can be detached from the aircraft and used for flotation. There are also 4 window exits located over the wings. When open, ramp slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless directed by a crew member. All 8 exits on board are marked with an overhead sign. So please take a moment, locate the 2 exits nearest to your seat. In some cases, your nearest usable exit may be behind you. In an emergency, please leave all carry-on items behind. Exit path lights will also guide you to an exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate you've reached an exit. Should there be a change in cabin pressure, an oxygen mask will drop from the compartment above your seat. To start the flow of oxygen, firmly pull the mask towards you to extend the plastic tubing. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. Oxygen will continue to flow even if the bag does not inflate. And please put your mask on first before assisting others. You will also find a life vest, which is equipped with a water-activated light located under or near your seat. To use, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end tight, and just prior to leaving the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab, or you can blow into the tube located at shoulder level, and this airplane also has infant life vest distributed if necessary. Again, keep in mind, smoking e-cigarettes and other smokeless tobacco are not permitted for use on board this airplane. Federal law does prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying all lavatory smoke detectors, and federal law does require passenger compliance with all lighted and posted information signs, posted placards, and all flight attendant, pilot, and crew member instructions. As we get you ready for takeoff today, we once again need your cooperation to verify your seatbelts are low and tight across your lap. Please ensure all seat backs, all tray tables are in a full upright locked position. And make sure that all carry lines are properly stowed, as we do need the area at your feet, behind your feet, and the center aisle completely clear. And again, we really do appreciate your attention. If there's anything else that we could possibly do today to try to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask any one of us. Very shortly, cabin lighting will be dimmed for today's flight. Should you require additional reading light at any time during our flight today, you'll find the button for your individual light located directly above your seat. Plus, Airborne will explain a little bit more about our service and update on our progress, but for now, we just invite you to sit back, relax, and try to enjoy the rest of our flight to Chicago. Welcome on board. Ladies and gentlemen, need everyone seated immediately with your seatbelts fastened, please. We will have to stop the aircraft if we don't return to your seat.
Why didn't you just call us? I said, because I want to keep your bosses here. He said, we never get smacked in these days. I said, like these interesting people. He said, well, yeah, but what you get smacked at the time. My older employees looked at me and he goes, what did he call you? And I said, yeah. Can you believe she called me Susie? And she said, he didn't know you very well, does he? I said, no. We giggled. He actually gave you a laugh. Yeah. Gee, he doesn't know you very well. I said, no, he doesn't. I said, end of. Yep. Brilliant. Yeah, I had to do it nose to nose a few times. So I sat there to put up with them. They knew when I folded my hands and stood in front of them with my feet shoulder width apart. Gee, I just looked like don't go there. Yeah, don't go there because I will hurt you. I will kick you out and have a deputy handcuff. Are you not retired? I'm retired, yes, since the end of my, I did 6 terms of 4 years each, so I was there for 24 years. I retired at the end of my 6th term, which was November of 2012. Are you enjoying it? Yes, ma'am. Yes. The pressure of that job was unbelievable. Oh, yeah. I had like 4 budgets that were $1 million each. I was in charge of. I had 39 women, which alone was a task. And I ran 8 different divisions. I had the whole entire second floor with 4 rooms, 2 employees on the third floor, and 2 employees on the first floor. My staff sat with the judges all day long, and then the people, his files. And it was a full-time job. And I had some headaches occasionally. So you worked with your very yes. I was a dental assistant for 13 years. It was kind of nice. It was a different change. Yeah. It was like 360. I was single from that. Yeah. It was really different. But I enjoyed them both. Yeah. Very, very much. But it was time. It was just time. I was 62 when I retired. So it's nice to get those years. Enjoyed what you're doing. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, I have a really nice boyfriend now. I was married for 45 years, got divorced with Greg's grandpa. And I went on Match.com. And I was on it and on it and on it and on it. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so really nice. And then left college for 4 years. And the judge came and said, I read your profile, saw your picture. Would you like to do breakfast? I said, sure. So I met him at a Bob Evans breakfast, and our breakfast lasted 4 hours and 15 minutes. Brilliant. Yes. We just clicked. He said, if you're looking for a husband,
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
we were very lucky because I am not looking for husbands. Been there, done that. Bought the t-shirt. That's what he said. And I said, I'm looking for a date every Saturday night. I'm looking for someone who loves me for me, for monogamy, which I did not have in my marriage. I'm looking for monogamy. And somebody who's to have fun and laugh with and do fun things in life. And he said, I think we're going to do this. I said, okay. So now the next Tuesday, and we've been dating now for 3 years. since he was 3 years old. Yes. So that's why he's spoiled. I had one daughter, and she had one son. So, and I'm very close to both of them.
Yes. Brilliant.
So, yeah. And so I'm used to traveling to see them.
Yes.
The only place they lived that was really far away, it was difficult, and I only had to go once, was in Washington, D.C. That was a 13-hour drive. The rest of the time, we were out.
again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to direct your attention above you and point out the fasten seatbelt sign will stay on. It is on for your safety and the safety of those around you, so please remain in your seat with your seatbelts fastened until that sign has been switched off. And keep in mind that it is United's policy to keep your seatbelts fastened around you at all times while seated. At this time, the use of all approved electronic devices are now permitted. You will find a complete listing of all of the approved and prohibited devices inside the Hemispheres magazine. Set your wireless browser to United Wi-Fi service and just follow the prompts in your mobile device. Listing of all of the beverages we offer in the Hemispheres magazine. There you'll also find a listing of our snack boxes and a la carte items. The flight attendants remain in our seats, so please do the same. To remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. There's a lot of thunderstorms around this area, so for your safety, the safety of those around you, just remain seated until the seatbelt sign's been turned off. Pilots were able to get a little bit of a shortcut, so right now showing we only have about 1 hour and 13 minutes left in our flight, which should put us on the ground just about 9:17 in Chicago. So just a little bit earlier than we were anticipating. So, and also, ladies and gentlemen, I know we've had a lot of problems with the entertainment on board, as well as our multiple boardings today. So for the inconvenience that we have put you through today, do keep in mind that we do have United headquarters is aware of all of the issues that we've had on today's flight. So we do invite you to visit. There is a website. If you go to united.com/United Cares, if you save the information from your boarding pass today, you can either enter your mileage plus number, your ticket number, your confirmation number, any of the information on today's flight. Be able to enter that information on that website. You'll be able to select an offering for your patience and understanding on today's flight. It's a form of compensation that we can provide to you today's. first to finally welcome you to the Chicago O'Hare International Airport. The local time is approximately 9:04, and we will be taxiing for the next few minutes. And if you do have a cell phone, as long as it is within arm's reach, you're welcome to turn it on and use it at this time. However, please make sure that the rest of your carry-on items remain properly stowed until the captain's turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, as that will be your first and only indication it's safer to be moving about the cabin. Please use extreme caution when opening the overhead vents, as contents may have shifted during our flight today. Once you get inside the terminal building, there will be a uniformed United representative meeting our flight. They'll be more than happy to assist you with any questions that you may have regarding ground transportation, baggage claim. We'll have the most up-to-date outbound connect and gain information as well. And we will be arriving on the Beacon course today at gate number 19. Again, if you do have the United app, it will provide the most up-to-date information about those connecting flights as well. And on behalf of all of us here at United, the Star Alliance Network, and especially the in-flight crew, we are very proud of the fact that you choose United for your travel plans today. Really do appreciate your business. Again, we do sincerely apologize for our late arrival today, but we did everything we could to get you here as quickly and most importantly, safely as possible. So on behalf of all of us, have a wonderful stay here in the windy city of Chicago, wherever your travels may take you. We do look forward to seeing you again. The Friendly Skies United in the near future. Have a great rest of the evening. And flight attendants, please disarm doors for arrival. Cross check, stand by for the all call. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, that website.